On page 60, this is lesson 1.2c. Today we're working with word problems again, except this time we'll have variables on both sides. What that means is that we're going to be comparing the cost or the rate, usually of two companies or two situations. They've already given us the number of people at the birthday party is represented by P. The cost of the party to have it at Boondocks is $8 per person plus a $60 rental fee. The cost of Raging Waters is $20 per person. There is no rental fee. So your story problem might read, how many people can we invite to have the cost equal at both places? So to solve that, we're going to have 8p plus 60 equals 20p. We're going to draw those railroad tracks down, and we're going to solve for p. I'm going to subtract 8p from each side. That's going to leave me with 60 equals 12p. And divide by 12. 60 divided by 12 is 5. That tells me that if there are 5 people invited to the birthday party, the cost will be the same for each place. So the directions, which we've already done, well, we haven't written a story, but we've talked about it just a bit. So I'm going to have you write the story about inviting people to a birthday party and asking the question, how many people can we invite to have the cost be the same at both places? Then we've solved the equation, and now to interpret our answer, all that means is that you state that you can invite 5 people to allow the cost to be the same between Boondocks and Raging Waters. If we invited more people, the cost would be different for both of these places. That's what interpret your answer means. Now we're going to jump ahead to page 62 and look at number 4. Number 4, they don't give you any of the expressions written for you. You have to write the expressions. So how we're going to set that up is we're going to label everything. Okay, we're going to have a space to write our expressions. So let's read the story problem. Horizon Phone Company charges $15 a month plus 10 cents per text. Okay, let's write this expression right here. So for Horizon, H-O-I-Z-O-N, they charge $15 a month, no matter what. But you also get charged 10 cents. How do we write 10 cents as a number? Is 0.10. So they charge 10 cents per text. Per means multiply. So we're going to put the letter right next to that number. But plus the $15 each month. G-Mobile charges a flat rate of $55 per month with unlimited texting. So for G-Mobile, our expression is going to look like this, just 55, okay? The question says, how many texts would the two plans, how many texts would the two plans cost the same? At how many texts? So we're going to set them equal to each other. So 0.10t plus 15 equals 55. This means when you write out the expression this way, they're asking you, or telling you, showing you, that these two would be equal if t equals some value. Okay, so we need to solve for t to find out what that value is. That's what this question is asking. So we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. It'll give us 40. That cancels, so we have 0.10t equals 40. And we're going to divide by 0.1, divide by 0.1. You can use a calculator. You're going to type in 40 divided by 0.1, and t equals 400. So at 400 texts, the cost would be the same. That is question number 1, but there's more. Which plan is a better deal if you send 200 texts per month? They're really telling us that t equals 200. Okay, so what is the cost of each plan if t equals 200? So then we're going to take 0.10, and wherever we see a t, we're going to put in 200. This is the cost for Horizon. Okay. So now you're going to take your calculator and do 200 times 0.1. That would give you 20 plus 15 equals $35 for Horizon. And it would be G Mobile has unlimited texting, so there's nothing to solve there. It's $55 a month no matter what. So you could text 200 times and still have to pay $55. So the question says, which plan is a better deal if you send 200 texts per month? The better deal would be Horizon.